Hello, my name is Sebastian Reuter. I'm the International Sales Director for the brand Jaguar, cooperating here with Nazih, the Nazih Group. And yeah, we are doing our business together with Nazih since 1999. So more than 25 years of a really valuable cooperation. We are the #1 scissor brand in the world. Nazih is the #1 distributing company in all the Arabian world. So what belongs together comes together. The show that we are here, the Beautyworld Middle East, it's simply amazing. It's massive, it's valuable, so many good clients, so many good talks. We really appreciate to be here with Mr. Nazih and his complete team. And I want to give a very, very warm congratulations to him, to his team, for 50 years of success, for 50 years of innovation. And I want to express my real gratitude for 25 years of partnership with Nazih. Thank you very much.